Energy levels are so high, enthusiasm right from day one. You know, when these lads come into our environment at all levels, it's really infectious, it's contagious right throughout the staff and the players. And they've been in a great place all week. You know, it's really been difficult, I suppose, for numerous players who are managing their off-season. Some players are obviously involved in the EFL camp. So from a physical perspective, they've all been in different places. So we've had to manage that, and credit to the medical team and the performance team that hopefully we've now put our players in the best place to perform. You know, from anyone's experience, but my particularly as a young player, and what I've already tasted as a young manager, is the importance of that momentum and how you gain momentum through performance and success on the pitch, whether that's result and victory, which we're all striving for at the end of the day. And that's what I think bleeds team belief, and that's where we get our confidence from, whether that's as a coaching staff or as players. But I know how important that is to a team, and that's what we're really striving for in this window, is to maintain and meet our objectives that we've set coming into the camp, but also get the success on the pitch, which links to the performance and ultimately the result that leads into that first game of the campaign in September against Denmark. We know we're up against a well-organised outfit. We know how robust we are. That we have targeted some of the areas on the pitch where we can identify and make sure that we nullify Norway's strengths, and we know clearly what they are. So I think we're well prepared going into the game. We know it's going to be a tough fight, but like we all appreciate, the value of this game is huge for us going forward.